Hi guys, my name is Puspendra Seni. Once again I came with a very interesting tutorial. In this tutorial I will explain you what is MVVM model process in Xcode project development and what is the stands for MVVM. It stands for model view model. So what does it mean? It means that how you can structure your code with the help of model view model in your Xcode project. So in this tutorial we are going to cover this thing. So let's begin with development. So guys, this is my fresh project, and in this project I will create, as I told you, model view controller. What is this? If someone is asking you in your interview this question, then what does it mean? Model view model is just a process to structure your code, how you can manage your code in a very simple and very easy way. It's just a process to develop any software or any application. So in this tutorial we are going to cover this thing here, how we can manage MVVM. So first of all I'll create three folder inside that. Okay, first is models, second is view, and third is view controller or view models. Okay, as per standard I'm taking view models. So this is view models and view model controller. Okay, so how you can structure your code, which file you have to take in which folder, and how it can work easily. So first of all, whatever is related to view I will take inside the view folder, like your cell code or your any Swift code, whatever Swift UI, then also it will come into the view folder. Okay, and like I have this main storyboard, launcher screen storyboard, so both will come inside the view folder. Okay, but inside the view folder you can also substructure that. So how we can do that? Let's say this is storyboard. Okay, so I'll create one folder for stories where I can keep my storyboard. Okay, so from here, new group, story. Here I can put my all stories, whatever is related to my Xcode project. Okay, so this is story, and inside the story folder I'll keep my both storyboard files. Okay, now let's come to view models. What will be inside view model? So this will be whatever your view controller, like your UI collection view controller, your view controller which is extending UI controller, or your table view controller, all will be inside your view models. Okay, so this will be inside your view models. Now what will be inside models? Inside that we will create all the models which will interact, or which is helpful to interact with the HTTP services. Okay, so here is model. Let's say I'm creating one model, it's called as Swift new file. Here I'll create models. Okay, this is the file name models, or I can give anything whatever is my requirement here. So according to this structure we can manage our code like that. Okay, so our every file will be inside that. Okay, so from here what I'm going to do, I will create one services. This is the tutorial. I have already explained about how you can parse your JSON. Okay, so with the help of this services, this is the URL for JSON. Okay, this JSON I will parse into my Xcode project, which is the service itself. So and we will use inside our project. What is this? This is the post one array, and this is a comments. Okay, so first of all I'll create this class DB. So from here I'll copy and paste this code here. Okay, DB is my one models. Okay, and this is my view controller. Here I'll copy and paste this code inside my view controller. This is nothing, this is just a function. This is my complete URL. Okay, first I validate with URL, then second line as usual I run a URL session task. First I take response, and then after that I use JSON decoder for decoding this into my DB class, and here I am printing all the post ID and all the titles. Okay, Fine. Code this function from my view controller, view did load, and from here I'll call JSON parse. So I will run and see the output. So guys, here you can see the output. Okay, id1, id2, id3. So that was the complete structure of MVVM, and it's the complete process how you can organize your product, your application, and how you can design a very big application in a very few steps. Okay, so guys, I hope you are very clear about MVVM. If you have any doubt and if you have any suggestion, then please comment into the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because my YouTube channel contains too much video about the Swift development AI, like how you can use user defaults, what is UI collection view, how to use scroller, what is UI search bar. So different things you will get on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and keep watching. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Bye bye.